Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about internet computer itself. See what is happening with the price of ICP and of course what is yet to come, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the entire market right now, you guys can see everything seems to be up right now. Bitcoin did make its way back above $52,000, which is of course impacting the entire market. As far as ICP is concerned, it was up 3.5% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, but it has done something very, very interesting, which is worthwhile noting. So if you are an ICP holder and you have internet computer in your portfolio, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. So if we're looking at the price of ICP right now, it's back about $14, currently sitting at $14.20. It's also up 3% over the past 24 hours in Bitcoin comparative, which is really nice to see. Market cap, on the other hand, is currently sitting at $6.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $245.6 million, which is not bad at all. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So I'm going to start off with Bitcoin dominance. So if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance index, it has been pulling down. Due to Bitcoin dominance index pulling down, this is giving a lot of altcoins a breather, making them go towards the upside. And you can pretty much see this for yourself. Altcoins are having a great time. And on top of that, if we're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin made its way back above $52,400 just a few hours ago. And we did see the price of Bitcoin closing back above $52,000. So the February 18th daily candle did end up closing above $52,000. If you want to know the importance of that, you could see this for yourself. On the 17th, we saw the price of Bitcoin fall down to $50,600. And of course, that is, something worthwhile noting. But we're seeing Bitcoin bouncing back to almost yearly highs, and of course that is really, really important to note. But now let's take a look a little further and see what we could be expecting as we do go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. As you guys know, it's a long weekend, here in North America, and you can pretty much see this for yourself. We are seeing the resistance playing out for us, that exact same resistance which we retested, which was our yearly high. So, the overall market is looking quite well. But as far as ICP is concerned, ICP has done something we've been talking about on the channel. It has done it. Guys, finally, it has done it. And I'm going to share why this is so important. So if you're looking at internet computer right now, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see we saw the price going all the way up to $15 just a few hours ago. And, if you want to put this into perspective, we were only about 8% for us to retest that crucial key resistance level at $16.18. You guys know the importance of that. And what's worthwhile noting right now, if you guys are really looking at the charts on the daily time frame, I'm only focusing on the daily time frame right now, especially after that, of course, retest at $9.73. This move that we're seeing is a very, very bullish move. We've seen the price holding really well, and not only that, it's creating higher highs, higher lows, which of course is giving us an indication that the price is definitely in an upwards trajectory. And not only that, you could pretty much see this for yourself, this key resistance which I spoke to you guys about at $13.64. If we're looking at it just on the daily time frame, I'll give you guys an indication as to how many times we saw the price getting rejected at that point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different times we got rejected. Of course, now people can come out and say, oh, Crypto ZX, what do you mean it got rejected? We are clearly seeing wicks back above there, which of course is something that is worthwhile noting. But what I want you guys to understand is all these times that the price did go back above that key resistance, we never got that daily close. That daily close is the most important thing that you want to be taking a look at. But this key resistance never managed to turn into support line, and we never saw the candle closing its daily above that key resistance. So of course we were seeing weakness, but we have finally seen as of February the 19th the price of ICP breaking back above there, and we saw it rush all the way up to $15 mark, and we're very, very close now. Of course, Now the exact same resistance, you could pretty much see this for yourself at $14.36, roughly around there, is playing as a level of support for us, as you can see this for yourself, which is a great sign. So now I'm very confident that we will start seeing ICP pushing up towards new yearly highs. We're very, very close, and I think we're getting very close to that point. So if you are an ICP holder, buckle up, because I think things are about to start getting exciting, because the chart speaks for itself. But again, of course, time is going to tell. We did see this beautiful correction, which was very much needed, because let's face it, ICP did have a very good rally, especially if you picked it up in October, saw it running up all the way to $16. And then, of course, that correction due to the Bitcoin move down to $39,000. But we're seeing this beautiful bounce, especially being back above that key resistance. This is giving me an indication that we're very, very close towards a new yearly high. So what I'm projecting is that we will see the price getting retested at that key resistance. Let me give you guys a visual as to what I think is going to happen. So I think we're going to get to this resistance, see a little bit of a rejection, of course, key resistance, and that should not be a surprise. Key resistances usually do tend to be strong levels of resistance. But if we're able to clear out of that zone, guys, the main target that I'm looking at is $18 Caspa. And if you want to see the $18 Caspa from the current price levels, you want to put that price into perspective, that's a 26% gain from where we are currently. So, liking what I'm seeing, and if you are a believer on ICP, you think ICP has more potential if you've done your due diligence and research, then picking it up around here, especially below this resistance, is better than picking it up when it's retesting the 20 plus dollar price point. But of course, one step at a time. Do what works for you at the end of the day. But more and more people are starting to realize about internet computer. I see this with my own eyes, and there's newcomers. The most exciting thing about this is that there's new interest. People that have never looked into crypto at all, that are showing interest in projects like Internet Computer, Solana, of course, Avalanche. And of course, this goes back to what I've said 1,000 times. The narrative for this bull cycle is layer 1s and layer 2s. And we're continuously seeing, that prove the fact that, how important that narrative really is. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. The ICP community, I'm sure you guys are smiling right now, especially seeing the price back above $14 price point. But of course, we're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Thank you so much for all your support. I cannot thank you enough. You guys are absolutely killing it with the support. Continue supporting, and you will continue to see these updates, of course, that we bring out for the Internet Computer. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more other content with other projects. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you have not subscribed, or you're waiting for, do subscribe. And other than that, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.